Hi
Okay,
guys.
what's up everybody? So welcome to episode 2 of Cheli's cooking show.
We have
This
a special
time-
guest.
Oh yeah, we have a special guest. We have Lorenzo. Say what's up, Lorenzo. So what we're gonna do is sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast with bacon bits. And so we're gonna start with some eggs. We got a bunch of eggs. We're gonna make these scrambled in this big bowl. We're gonna have some hash browns. When we're gonna make them with some sausage, and we're gonna add cheese, and we're going to add some bacon bits as well. And so to cook all this, we're gonna need this pan to boil some water for the potatoes, another pan for eggs, and then the other one to mix the potatoes, cheese, bacon, and sausage together. So let's get started.
Okay.
Nice, Tata Sahur.
Okay,
Okay,
you can come.
then Lorenzo.
That's loud.
Oh, that was pretty bad.
I can do it with
Nice, Tata, that was nice. Okay, so next we need to wisp it. I think it's called wisp. So that means that,
Whisk
I think that's what it is, wisp. And there's supposed to be like a special tool, but I don't think we have that. Whatever, we're just gonna use a fork. So I like to just stab them a little bit,
Oh, I want to
and
stop
then
them.
and then just kind of go like this. Let's see you do that, Tata. And then Lorenzo can do that.
Okay,
A few.
Cheli.
Well, let Lorenzo try it, Tata.
This was so much fun.
Now we whisk like this. So you kind of go like this in a circular motion like this, and you kind of wanna like stab this a little more,
I want to do that.
so that way you can mix it all super good. So you go like this, and put this. So the way you wanna grab it is like this, and then go like this. Lorenzo, why are you doing that?
I don't know.
ASMR.
It's just fun.
Okay, not
I like how.
Probably the other way, Tata. The other way, this way, this way.
Okay.
You should be able to make this effect like kind of like a whirlpool. A little bit like this.
Just don't splash it on me.
Now that we've done this, we're gonna cook this on the smaller pan, and then on the bigger pan, we need to boil some water. So actually, let's go boil this water, Tata. So while we wait for the boiling water, we're gonna open this up, Tata. So let's open this up,
Yes.
and let's get it ready. And let's shake it around a little bit so that we're ready for the hot water when it's ready. So now we're here at the oven, and we're boiling this water. So this is how you can tell it's boiling, Tata. You see how it's like bubbling up?
Yeah.
And when it does that, you want to be super careful because it's super hot, and if you touch it, then you can get seriously burned.
Is more water coming or is it just the bubbles?
It's just bubbles. It's called boiling.
Yeah, I think you're gonna have to
Okay,
carry
so yeah, I'm gonna carry this. So now we're gonna put the boiling water into the potatoes here, the hash browns. And I'm gonna do it right here like this. And we just need to put it enough to the line. This you definitely wanna help. I wanna help you with. I don't want you to do this alone. Because even you can feel in the box, you can feel it. It's like hot.
Oh, that's really hot.
Yeah. So now we need to just close it for like a bunch of minutes.
I think we have to.
So now we need to cook the sausage, and we're gonna cook the sausage in this pan. First, we're gonna need to put some olive oil on the pan, because anytime Cheli we're gonna cook on the pans, we're gonna cook the meat, we need to put some oil, so that way it doesn't burn too fast. So put it all around like this. It's kind of fun to put olive oil, kind of like it.
It looks like a monster with one eye and a smile.
Oh yeah, like a
Turn
cyclops.
it around to the
Oh no, I ruined it.
No.
I'm sorry, mommy. And then you kind of want to spread it around like that. So next, with a knife, we can cut this sausage like this. You kind of cut the top, get your hand out of the way, and then just kind of cut it like that. I'll let you do this next time, but I'll let you get it out though. Yeah, now just start squishing it like this, Tata. Like this, little by little, little by little, little by little. Yeah. Nice, mommy. Nice. So now with our wooden spoon, we're gonna kind of cut it into smaller pieces like this. So let's cut it into small
It
pieces.
looks like a worm.
Yeah, a little bit. And so we just cut it into tiny small pieces, okay? So let's do that. Now we need to put the egg on the egg pan. So let's get the egg, Tata. Nice and slow. Whoa, that's a lot of egg, dude. We have a lot of egg. So we wanted to get it all like fully cooked. This is the hard part where you have to kind of like watch the temperature. This is when you have to lock in. Tata, mira, if you turn it, you can see how it's like getting cooked. You see how it's like turning color? That's how we know it's cooked. So we want all the meat to look like that. And all while it's cooking, I'm still gonna keep like cutting it into small pieces so that way these are tiny pieces because I want it to be like super small. Oh, that was too high. Like if it gets this high, that's not safe because it could splash and splash all over. So this is all like super hot stuff. So that's why cooking is not a game. It's serious work, especially when you have fire going on. So this is basically getting done. You see how it's all like cooked? There's a little bit of pink stuff left. Let's let it cook still for a little bit more. And then we'll add the potato and the cheese and the bacon bits. So it'll be really good. Help me with that one? Yeah, so check it. This is now the hash browns and I'm about to pour them here.
That's
Okay,
yummy.
so now let's just straight pour them in there. And you're gonna have to shake it a little bit.
This is hot.
Yeah. Now it came out.
My God.
Yeah, let's go. So now we're gonna mix it all together. Yes, so that's what I wanted to do, mix this up. And then we're gonna add the cheese and bacon bits to this. But first, let's check on the egg because you can see how it's getting cooked in the bottom. So let's go check on that. Okay, so let's take a look. So now, see, now that's actually gonna cook now.
What?
That's what I'm talking about. So look, that's why that bottom is cooked, see that? So we need to do that like all over and make sure we get it all good so that way not a lot gets stuck in the bottom because if it does, it's gonna burn and we don't want it to burn. Grab another one. Another big handful. Let's put them all over. Yeah. Let's make it quick before it starts burning. Quick, Tata, put it in there. Just pour it before it starts burning. So I can hear some stuff might start burning. Okay, nice. That's it. Now we need to mix it up. And maybe move that one around with the spatula, Tata. In the bottom, but grab the handle. Okay, so you want to grab the handle and go to the bottom and start moving that around. Nice, Tata Sahur. Good job, dude. We're cooking together now. Yeah, they started burning a little bit in the bottom, but it's okay. For these, there you go. There you go. You wanna put your hands over it like this, not like this. Put your hands over it like this, not under, but over. So try again.
That's fine.
And then put it here. Okay, and then some egg.
Wow.
Nice. Ooh. Okay, now let's try it. Let's get a little fork. Let me try it. It's a little bit of egg, a little bit of this stuff.
No.
W? Last time you did that was so cute, Tata. All right. So, here, can they copy this recipe, Cheli? Yeah. Okay. So you guys can copy the recipe. It's super good. I think this is a good way to make like
A healthy breakfast.
semi-high protein. Yeah, sausage, egg, cheese, bacon, and the potatoes. So pretty high in protein, and also something that you can make in bulk. Because I got my kids. So there's 4 of us that are gonna eat right now. So it's something good that you can make a bunch of it, and it's pretty good. They generally like it. So yeah. You guys
I'm
can copy
totally
this.
not eating it right now.
Yeah. I'll make the next plate. Oh, that's nice, Tata. Okay, guys, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoy. And don't forget to like and subscribe and do what else?
Turn on your notification.
Yeah. Later.
Bye.